doing? You're gonna take the whole sandwich. You like eggs, Charlie? Ham and eggs? Hi, Sweet Pea. You're so greedy, you swallow it whole. What do you think? Your dog friends would like to have some too, wouldn't they? Huh? You want a piece too? Charlie really likes his eggs. You want another piece? Hi, sweetie. Now, don't take it all this time. Don't take it all. If you want some, you can't. Look how greedy you are. Look how much you took. You having breakfast, sweetheart? Yeah? Yum yum?
Welcome to Flashback Favorites. I'm Mr. Mike. Thanks for joining me. Al Wilson is best remembered for his 1973 smash.
Don't take it all. Oh, look at! Ah! He took the whole thing! Doesn't bother you a bit, does it? You got the whole thing. I got nothing left in my sandwich now. Now that's greed. Now that's greedy.